Did you know how it controls all the parts of your body? Did you know how it controls the involuntary muscles and voluntary muscles? Let's see it. This will be the face of my experiment. It's made of paper and Play-Doh. Hello! This will be the eyes. They are made of wood. And this will be the pupil. You see? Now we're molding the skin. Now I'm making the brain with glue and paper. Well, this will be the electronic part of my experiment. It's divided in two parts. This will be the eyes. It's composed by resistor, capacitor, LED, and light cell. The other part is for the touch. It's composed by microswitch, a LED, and a resistor. Now we're welding the cable to the light cell. And this is my experiment. We finally finished it. I'm going to show you the parts of the brain that control all our body and our senses and emotions. Okay, these are the main parts of the brain: the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the cerebral cortex, and the temporal lobe. And on this cut of the brain is the occipital lobe and the cerebellum. The frontal lobe controls the higher mental functions. This is the frontal lobe. It controls the concentration, the planning, the judgment, the emotional expressions, the creativity, and inhibition. The occipital lobe is in charge to control the sight and the image perception, and the parietal lobe is in charge to control the eye movement and the orientation. This is the part of the brain that controls the hearing. This is the one that controls the smelling or the olfactory area, and this is the one that controls the speech movements. This is the motor function area. It's in charge to control the voluntary muscles. And this is the sensory area. Controls the sensation from muscles and skin. This is the emotional area. It controls the pain, the hunger, the fight or flight response. This part of the brain is to evaluate of weight, texture, temperature, etc. And this is the cerebellum. It controls the coordination of movement, balance, and equilibrium posture. These are neurons. These are the electric part of our brain. For example, if you cut yourself, immediately the neurons going to react and you're going to feel pain, hunger, etc. I hope you enjoyed this trip across the brain. I hope you learned something as we did. Bye!